Oh, hey, look at that. First time, every time, right? All right, I got a mess to clean up in here, but look at how much brighter this is now. You know, there's really good reviews on these things. I saw a bunch of videos and pictures, and I just wanted to, you know, get it bright in here. So these are 200 watts. I believe it says on the side of the box. Yeah, these are 200 watt, and they're pretty bright. So yeah, let's do this opening now, so you guys can see what comes in the box. Instructions, warranty, all that stuff. This thing's good for 5 years, a 5-year warranty, which is pretty good. I mean, this is probably made in China, let's face it. I mean, everything on Amazon is. But, you know, some stuff is quality. It comes with a, this little Allen key, and that's to tighten this up here. So we'll loosen this up, and then we'll hang it on our hook, and then we'll tighten it up so it can't come down. Only way it's coming down is if the hook comes down. Also has a safety cable, which is kind of cool. But in this situation, we don't have anywhere to really mount that safety cable, so we're not going to. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the zip tie here, or the twist tie, which is bound up a lot. There we go. Okay. I'm going to pull it out. And this is what we're dealing with. 200 watts. So it has a 110 outlet. So you can plug this into an outlet, or you can remove the cover on here and then just put wires right into here if you don't want to use an electrical box. This is for a dimmer. So if you have a dimmer, this is what this is for. It's a purple and gray wire. We're not going to be using dimmers here. And then here's the safety cable. And this is just to wrap around like a beam or something like that. Or it's just in case something fails, the light doesn't fall. All right, so we're going to go ahead and hook up our hook. Also has a little set screw down here to tighten it up so it can't spin. I mean, I don't see how this thing could spin around that many times. But we'll go ahead and tighten it up anyway since we're here. And you can tighten this screw up by hand. You don't need the Allen key, which is nice. There she is. I'm gonna put this on here just to get it out of the way. Okay, let's flip this breaker on and see what happens. Oh, hey, look at that. First time, every time, right? All right, I got a mess to clean up in here, but look at how much brighter this is. Now, could we have went with more lights? Yeah, probably. But why? This is plenty bright for us. This is what happened when I was digging around for that hole. That's fine, I'll get that later. But yeah. It's pretty bright. There's a little bit of shadow in here, and you know, you can see it over here, and that's fine though. This is 100% better, 200% better than what it was before. Before it was dim. You know, I'll show you guys the before and after here. All right, so this is the warehouse. It's pretty dark in here. We have this one little light switch that kind of controls just these lights right here. Just the one bar, and it's, you know, it's not light in here at all. It seems a lot lighter with the camera here. But it's pretty dark, and it's night and day, literally. Anyways, you know, that was pretty easy. Now, All right, so I think it was a pretty job well done. You know, I did it myself. My face is all dirty. I'm all sweaty, tired. But you know, you save a bunch of money doing this kind of stuff by yourself. And you know, it was pretty easy. Took me probably a couple hours because I was trying to record as well. But also just being in cramped crawl spaces, you know, a bunch of spiders up there and everything else going on. Anyways, yeah, I mean, I really am impressed with these lights. We're gonna be installing 4 over here in this next warehouse, a little bit bigger. We already hooked them up and tested them out with extension cords, and we know it's gonna be enough light. So that's how we kind of figured out how much we would need for here, because this is about half the size as that. Again, I'd recommend these things. I'm gonna post a good review on Amazon because that's how I got this. That's how I found it. A bunch of people like showed pictures, and I'm gonna show pictures as well because this thing's awesome, you know. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you guys like these kind of videos, you know, go ahead and like and subscribe. A lot of these, a lot of my videos are based on farm stuff, but I also do a lot of business stuff. Not necessarily on the channel, but you know, obviously this is a business. If you guys can tell, right? We're in a warehouse. It's a big ass warehouse, you know. So it goes on and on and on. If you look down there, I'm not really going to go down there, but it goes on. So we do a lot of stuff around here. Mainly, I said I focus on animals and farm stuff and how-to stuff. But you know, these lights are going to my shop as well, and I figured, why not? All right, thanks for watching.